choosing a trustworthy online broker is crucial, no matter your experience level. Hello everyone, and welcome to this important video about online trading safety. Today, we're focusing on a company called PDTPartners.com. This PDTPartners.com review aims to warn you about the high risk of trading with them. They've been accused of being a scam that could lead to financial ruin. Before going to the details, let's learn how PDTPartners.com scammed people. PDT Partners allegedly lured people in with promises of high returns and guaranteed profits. In reality, they were likely running a Ponzi scheme, a deceptive tactic that pays out with new investors' money. Many investors lost a significant amount of money. People posted several reports against them, and financial institutions are also getting alerts about their activities. Many online reviews and complaints mention withdrawal issues and a lack of transparency from PDTPartners.com. People felt lied to and couldn't reach the broker. If you've been scammed by PDT Partners, there may be hope. BrokerComplaintAlert.com can help you with a free consultation to provide you with professional guidance and recovery service recommendations to help you in recovering the lost funds. Don't be a victim. Many victims feel alone, but you're not. These scammers target innocent people, and you're not to blame. Before investing anywhere, do your research and read reviews. Remember, it's your hard-earned money. We hope this video empowered you to make informed decisions about online trading. If you suspect a scam, don't hesitate to seek help. Thanks for watching. Contact us at BrokerComplaintAlert.com.